Mr. Mehmood Khan, Speaker of Provincial Assembly, Atif Khan, Senior Minister, Shahram Khan, MPs, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Although we are guests here, but I do not consider so, since it is the ceremony where we equally claim to be the hosts. It is just because of the spirit of our friendship with our Chinese friends. On this auspicious occasion of the National Day of the Republic of China, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the people and government of the Republic of China. Equally important is the fact that we have this event here for the first time in the history of the province. For all these kind and good gestures, His High Excellency Mr. Yao Jing, Ambassador of the Republic of China, and his colleagues deserve tremendous tributes. Excellency, I am really thankful to you. May we have many such occasions in future as well. Pak-China friendship Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome His Excellency Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed Ghani, Speaker of the Provincial Assembly, and Head Pakhtunkhwa.
My two colleague ministers, Mr. Shahram Khan, Sarakai, and the Senior Minister, Mr. Atif Khan, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Indeed, it's a matter of great pleasure for all of us here. And on this auspicious day, His Excellency, I think you have invited the entire province to celebrate your happiness. So we are very happy on the Independence Day of China. So give them big hands to the China. Ladies and gentlemen, today we had a very good meetings with His Excellency, and he is very much interested to uplift the social status of the people of this province. The China is ready to help us in all our districts in any problem which we are facing, and many problems have been told him in the morning.